me go up.
Say hi, Jayden.
Oh, shit.
Sunny, can you put on his shoes? He wants to come down, but he doesn't.
Come down.
Come, Jayden.
There's no shoes.
He knows.
Come.
No, and it hurts.
Shoes on. You don't want to take it off.
Come on, did it?
We'll put it on. All you gotta do is slip it on. Please catch it.
Yeah, come down.
Oh, I got his butt.
You taking pictures?
Videotaping.
Look at, he wants to go. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it.
Go, Jayden.
Yay! You're doing something very courageous. Walking on tan bar.
Cairo, come grab him. It hurts. It hurts.
It doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
He has socks.
Oh, okay,
Look
Mia.
how fast he's walking.